What is going on, my boo? It is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, honey, you already know we're going to be busting it up, playing in some makeup. You dig me? But I am definitely going out for a little lunch date. So I wanted to come on here and do my makeup with you. Period. Okay? So we're going to be jumping right into it. I'm going to be jumping into the Mercier Blurring Canvas Primer. And we just going to be getting right into it. What has been going on? Honey, I've been chilling, okay? I have no time. I have been so focused on what I need to do. Like, I'm gonna real quick jump into the LYS foundation. The color that I got is the DPG1, but you will not catch me. Nothing at all. I just think I'm at a point of my life where a lot of stuff that doesn't serve me a lot of purpose, I really don't have time for. So I just been really getting my mind right, getting my mental right. I just think that right now, I'm a little selfish. I think it's best to really focus on you, and that's just what I've been doing. I just really been staying focused. You know what I'm saying? This is the Charlotte Tilbury, and this is like really my first time doing a video, and I'm like on my way somewhere. Getting it in. What y'all got planned this weekend? I don't have nothing planned this weekend, but I definitely want to go somewhere this weekend. I haven't even had a chance to do anything because I just been working. I need to like really like take a break. Psych. I can't right now. I'm gonna go. Only a true hustler will understand. This right here that I'm using is the Born This Way. It really does good on the skin. And I just wanna do some light beating today. Just light beating. You know, something light, something chill. Giving you something real good today. Something real chill. We're gonna let that sit there just a little bit. We're gonna contour. I haven't contoured with my Fenty cream in a while. I do like a dark contour, and this is like a little light. And the color that I got is chocolate, but I love that soft contour kind of like look though. You know what I'm saying? Cause I'm like kind of like chilling today. So I don't really want like a real hard contour. You know what I mean? I'm going to blend this out. I'm gonna blend those edges out. And now we can blend, and this is the Morphe R11. This is like a new brush I wanted to try for my under eyes. So I just wanted to try it and see like how it would blend under that eye. And to me, it's giving me what the girls is giving. Like, yes, that is like basically, like I'm giving you a bead, but I wanna give you like a soft bead. And I'm gonna bring this all the way up, and if I gotta retouch on my contour, I will. I like this brush. I don't know, but I still be blending with brushes. I did buy a beauty blender. I bought a few products for my upcoming videos, so I do want to definitely start like trying a beauty blender a little bit more. But I love doing my face with brushes for some reason. I don't know why. I just do. I forgot to put some right there, and I'm being real little. Just be keeping it real teeny. I'm gonna just blend that in. I'm gonna see how this brush do for baking too. What you think? I love a little bake. Ain't nothing like a good bake. Pressing it on the side just so I can make sure it bakes through and snatches me to the gods, because I want to be snatched. You know what I'm saying? I want to feel that heat. We can rock the boogie. Ooh. And I've been mixing, I know everybody do this, but lately I've been mixing my powders. If you mix your powders, what are you guys' favorite combos? And I'll tell you my combo in my next one. I mix my powders, and look at this. The flick of the wrist. Look at the flick of the wrist. I want to do it around the edges. Y'all, I play all day. Just want the nose a little snatched. Just take a little bit, just tap it right there. Won't nobody know. They'll know. They won't know. They won't. Excuse me. I'm gonna touch up this contour real quick. So we're gonna jump into eyes. And for eyes, I'm keeping it very simple. And I'm gonna put this all over the lid. And this right here is the Morphe Hide and Peak Concealer. This concealer is lit. Dead ass lit. Lit. Like, it's good for a base. It's good for under the eye. It's even good on skin. You know, sometimes you do a concealer for a little foundation sometimes. We've all did it. And honey, I liked it. I loved it, actually. All right, let me touch up the front of my eyes with my Fenty Beauty Concealer. And this is in the color 420. I'm definitely getting me a cocktail today. Like, definitely. So we're gonna be jumping into MMMitchel palette. We're gonna start off with Hi Honey. And we're gonna just take this and put this as our transition shade. And now since we have that down, I'm going to jump into this brown right here, and it's called Dusk. From dusk till dawn, we'll be on. I'm always making up stuff. I'm a hot mess. And I'm gonna just stamp that in my crease. And I love this look. It's very soft, very light, very chill. And now we're gonna jump into some black eyeliner really quick. And I'm gonna just do a wing. We're going to be jumping into some soft glitter. This is e.l.f. And then I'm gonna jump into this glitter primer by NYX and just tap it right here on my lid. Stamp it all over. Now we're gonna jump into the under eye, jump into a black. Leave that space right open. And to be honest, I'm just going to take a little bit of concealer. And while that is drying, let me give myself a little highlight on my brow bone. You know, these eyes look so freaking cute. Oh yes. Now let me put these lashes on. I cannot do this lash with long nails, but this lash I could do. I'm going to jump into this MAC Dark Deep, and I'm going to set my entire face. Got to set the entire face. I'm about to put my highlight on. So I'm gonna line my lips real quick with the Trendsetter. This is by Morphe. I love this liner. Like, I just love the way they glide on the lip. So let me jump into this Morphe. Look what my daughter did with my Morphe, man. She drew it. It's like one of my faves, but she definitely drew it. I gotta buy me another one. So now we're going to real quick jump into blush, and we're going to be jumping into the Fenty Beauty. This is the cream, and this is in the Fugo Flush. Stamped it right there. So now I just slide this wig on, a couple of curls in it. So my boo, before we run out the door, okay, this is the final look. I really love this look and what it is giving. If you are feeling this look, don't forget to smash that like button and also leave me a comment down below. Also my boo, if you made it this far into the video and you have not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for, my boo. Make sure you subscribe. Also hit that notification bell button because you do not want to miss my upcoming videos, and that is just on par. Okay, say no. But my boo, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video, watching my growth. Don't forget to keep God first, and I will see you boo in my next video. Mwah. Peace.